I'm already logged into the platform with this email, and I will walk through every screen step by step so we understand everything. Right now I'm in dashboard, and we can see I have one total automation, one is active, I have 16 leads and 15 that actually replied. I have one Instagram account connected, and this is a quick link to automation builder. Before we actually see the builder, I will first visit the settings. Here I have already connected my Instagram account, but I will show how we can connect one. Just click on this add another Instagram account, allow. Because this is already connected, it's not showing me those permissions dialog. I'll just click on allow. Because this was the same account, it actually updated the current connected one. Alright, so now I will go through the automation builder, which is one of the core feature of IGThreadly. Just click on this automation tab from left sidebar, and here we can see all our automations. Right now I have one which is already active. I will create a new one with this plus button. Just click on single post and hit create. And first we need to actually set up a trigger. Trigger is basically selecting our Instagram post that we want to connect this automation with. So right now I will select this one and hit confirm and save trigger. For the keyword router, we can add multiple keywords. So keyword is basically, let's say you are running a lead magnet and you are asking the users to actually comment some kind of keyword, let's say demo. So you can send them a lead magnet or more details. So I will add a new rule and call it demo. And with this plus button, we can create a new template. Template is basically about the action we want to perform. So what will be the comment that will be replying with, and what will be the DM they will get. So I'll just name it demo 2. And here I can type the actual DM they will get. Here is your info. I'll just add something simple. And these are the comment variations that we will reply with. I can go ahead and add one more variation, or basically I can add more variations. But for now, I'll just keep these ones. Click on create template and save keyword router. AI classification is basically an important node that basically separates IGThreadly from simple automation tools. It captures the engagement which are not really keywords. So let's say the user is asking about price or asking more information. So we can actually capture those intents. Let's say we just name it price, and we want to use this when someone is asking about price. When the user is asking about price. Now the price here will be in relation with the post. So basically they are like whatever we are selling inside that post, the price will be in relation to that one. So here we can select a template or we can just create a new one. So this will be price. I'll just call it one. So we have two options. Either we can send a static DM or we can send an AI DM, or we can actually turn it off. So only comment reply happens. Same with public comment. Now here I will use static for both and just say, hey, here is the price for this product. Okay, this will be the DM they will get. And same with the comment variation. We can just customize this, add new variations. For now, I'll just go with these ones and click create. So we have our template. We can add more. Actually, I can add a new intent. For now, just keep this price one and save AI classifier. Okay, this is basically done. So now I can go ahead and click this test. Now let's say a user is asking about price, like how much this cost, and hit run test. So you can see basically it was not really a keyword. It is basically an intent based, and the AI actually classified this. So our price one template is used. This is the DM they will get, and this is the comment reply, one of the variation. Now I will show how this comment automation actually works in a live Instagram account. For this, I will actually delete this one that we had created and use the one that I already had. So I'll just click on this one. This is actually the same thing. Basically, I have the same post, but the keywords here are basically I'm using multiple ones. I just comma separated because let's say we want to use a single template for multiple keywords, so we can just comma separate them. So I already have this like post here, which I can just copy, and this is another account. I already have this open, so I'll just comment price. Okay, so from this like a different account, I'm commenting price. If I just go back, I think in our app, I can see all the logs actually. Okay, so we can see here a pending log. So this will send a DM and a reply. So if I just go back and move this, we can actually see the DM. Hey, thanks for your interest. Okay, and if I just reload this actually, we can see the reply. It is actually one of the variation from the template. Let me actually show you the template. So I'll just go to automations, click on the automation, keyword, and click on this edit button. So this was the template that was being used inside that automation. So it picked the pricing. So this is the DM that was being sent, and it picked one of the comment reply variation. I believe this one. Now this was automation, and now I will show you one of the core feature, which is AI agents. So here we can click on create agent and we can select Instagram or either WhatsApp. So I will just create an Instagram agent. This I'll just say DM agent. So I'll use the standard. Standard just means like single prompt agent. Flow is actually a multi-step flow builder. So I'll just use standard for this one. And I will select the Instagram account. And I will enable auto connect on first DM. So basically if someone like send a DM for the first time, the agent will reply to that automatically. Now I'll just hit create. Okay, so the agent is created. Now I will just say you are a helpful agent and save the prompt. Like here we can add the prompt, how we want the agent to behave, and what are the qualification question it should ask. In the tools, like we can create a tool, let's say on Anytime or some other automation platform. When the agent is, let's say, done collecting information, let's say it collected name, email, and phone. So when that information is collected, we want the agent to send that information and save that to, let's say, a CRM. Okay, so we can go ahead and create a tool, a custom tool. Here we will need to like give it a name. Let's say save customer info, and here we will add the webhook URL. Give it a description like when to use it. For example, when the qualification is done, call this tool. For now, I'm not going to create this and just close this. So we have our DM agent active. Now we can actually test it. Now I will test this agent on a live Instagram account. And before that, I'll just change this prompt with a basic dental clinic receptionist prompt. I'll just go ahead and save it and close. I'll just copy this Instagram URL and open here so I can message from a different Instagram account. Click on message and I'll just send a simple hi. Now this should actually, yes. So agent responded and it should have created a new lead. I'll just go to leads and search for that username. Okay, it's here. And the source is direct DM. I can click on this. I can see the entire conversation. So we sent hi and the agent sent back the response. So this is basically the agent behavior. Now everything is actually saved inside memory. And if I create a new one, let's say I created a WhatsApp agent, and everything that is being discussed in the Instagram, when we do a handover to WhatsApp, the WhatsApp agent will remember everything, like all the conversation that has happened on Instagram.